Alright, now I'm down in the creek and the water's running next to me. It kind of washes out under there. Little by little, all that stuff up there kind of crumbles in. There's the head of the dragon. The snout's looking straight at us. And it goes off under the bridge. Pretty loud over here. Oh, there it is. Water. It's all muddy right now. If it runs long enough, it'll clear up. There's the dragon. Let's see if we can get that back into focus. There's the dragon. There's his top of his head, his little end of his snout, and his jaw. I'd like to put an eyeball right in there. Maybe something that glows. Maybe even two in his nose. There it is. It's our water feature.